Cristiano Ronaldo misses a free kick and the ball hits your head, but he stands up to you, apologizes, and gives you an autograph. You get free tickets for the Champions League in round of 16, but you have to miss 2 weeks of school. Play football like Ronaldinho. But the first person that shows up after you click share, then more, will end your career. Train with your favorite team and become friends with all of them, but every time the manager sees you, he'll ask you to leave. Play football with your friends like we used to do when we were younger, but they break your ball.